Bonjour les étudiants and welcome to another French lesson. In today's French lesson, we will learn about a verb which is a very important verb, and that verb is aller. Aller verb. Aller verb means to go. We often use to go verb in our daily talks. So today we are going to learn how to conjugate aller verb in the present tense. Although this verb ends with er, it's an er ending verb, but it is not a regular verb. It is an irregular verb. Yes, it is an irregular verb which has a different conjugation. So let's learn aller verb conjugation in this French lesson. So let's learn aller verb conjugation and how we can use it in our daily talks. So this is the conjugation of aller verb. So now we are going to pronounce the conjugation of this verb, and you have to pronounce this with me. So let's start with this. Je vais. Je vais. Je vais means I go and I am going. Tu vas. Tu vas. You go and you are going. Il va. Il va. He goes and he is going. Elle va. Elle va. She goes. She is going. Then on va. On va. One goes and we are going. Now let's talk about plural one. Nous allons. Nous allons. We go and we are going. Vous allez. Vous allez. You go and you are going. Here, tu vas, you go, you are going, and vous allez, you go, you are going. What is the difference between these two? Tu and vous. You must be knowing that we use tu for what? Tu is, when do we use tu? Tu we use for singular and vous we use for plural. Okay. The next is ils vont. Ils vont means they go and they are going, masculine plural, and elles vont, they go and they are going, that is for feminine plural. Let's practice it once again. Je vais. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. On va. On va. Nous allons. Nous allons. Vous allez. Vous allez. Ils vont. Ils vont and elles vont. Elles vont. Now let's learn how we can use aller verb in our daily talks. So first we will be learning how we can make sentences by using aller verb. For example, where are you going? Where is he going? Where is she going? Where are they going? Like that. So just have a look at these questions. Okay. So for asking where in French, we use où. We use this où for asking where. For example, où allez-vous? The first sentence is what? Où allez-vous? Où allez-vous? That means where are you going? Où allez-vous? Okay. Did you notice something here now? Où allez-vous? So when you were learning the conjugation of aller verb, you must have seen this, that vous comes first and this aller comes after it, right? But here what I have done, this aller comes first and then this vous comes after it. Why? Because it is a way of making a question in French like we do in English. For example, let's take an example in English. Okay, so let's take you are going. You are going. Okay, it's a sentence. It's a simple sentence. Now if we want to make this sentence in an interrogative form, then how do we make it? So first we will say what? Just make it in interrogative form. So we can write, are you going? And the question mark. Are you going? So what I have done in this sentence, I have put this verb first and this pronoun after it, right? So now it becomes an interrogative sentence. Are you going? Are you going? The same thing we have done here. We have put this verb first and this pronoun after it. The only difference between English and French here is we have put this hyphen. We call this thing hyphen, which we put in between the verb and the pronoun. We put this hyphen in between the verb and the pronoun if we make a question in French. So the first question is what? Où allez-vous? Où allez-vous? Where are you going? It is a formal way of asking somebody where are you going in French. Then the second way is où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Simple. It's an informal way of asking someone where are you going? Où vas-tu? The third sentence is où va-t-il? Où va-t-il? That means where is he going? Où va-t-il? Fourth sentence, où va-t-elle? Où va-t-elle? Where is she going? Question number 5 is où vont-ils? Où vont-ils? Where are they going? Où vont-ils is where are they going? Now we are going to make simple sentences by using aller verb. If someone asks you, where are you going? Where is he going? Where is she going? Where are they going? Then how you will answer? So you can answer in these ways. Okay, you can answer in these ways. Okay, so the first sentence is what? If someone is asking you, où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Where are you going? And if you are going to the cinema, then you can say like this, je vais au cinéma. Je vais au cinéma. That means I go to the cinema or I am going to the cinema. This au means to the. If any of your friend is going to the beach and if you want to ask him a question like are you going to the beach? Yeah, you are going to the beach in a simple way. So you can ask in this way. Tu vas à la plage? Tu vas à la plage? Plage. Plage means beach. Tu vas à la plage? You are going to the beach? Here, see, the meaning of à la is also to the. So what is the difference between and à la? We use before any masculine noun and we use à la before any feminine noun. So plage is feminine and cinema is masculine. So tu vas à la plage? You are going to the beach. If someone is asking you about your brother or about your friend, where is he going? Où va-t-il? And if he is going to the swimming pool, then how would you say this? So you can say in this way. Il va à la piscine. Il va à la piscine. Piscine means swimming pool and is feminine. So that's why à la. Il va à la piscine. He is going to the swimming pool. If someone is asking you about your sister or about your friend who is going to the school, okay, so the question your friend can ask you like où va-t-elle? Where is she going? Then how would you answer? So you can answer in this way. Elle va à l'école. Elle va à l'école. She is going to the school. Okay, why I have used here al apostrophe? Because e here is a vowel. That's why we have dropped e from le and put this apostrophe. So elle va à l'école. She is going to the school or she goes to the school. Okay. Now again, if you want to ask any of your friend like you are going to Delhi, again you can make this sentence in a very simple way by using this. Vous allez à Delhi. Vous allez à Delhi. That means you are going to Delhi. Are you going to Delhi? If someone is asking you about 2-3 people like où vont-ils? Where are they going? Then how would you answer? So you can answer in this way. If they are going to the market, ils vont au marché. Ils vont au marché. Ils vont au marché. Marché means market. Ils vont au marché. Now your writing task is memorize aller verb conjugation and write all the sentences which you learned in today's class in your French notebook.